Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can save your Barbies. You can use a yarn or wool, and all we need is with styling the Barbie's new hair is a scissor, picker, white glue and boiled water. As a first step, to lose the Barbie's hair, we will put the Barbie's head inside of the boiled water. Now we start to remove the hair with using this tool, but be careful, you might destroy the Barbie's head. And while you are doing this process, be careful with the boiled water, you might hurt yourself. And for the equipment, I advise you to use yarn at home. Don't spend your money if you have it in the house. So the boat head is ready for another process for hair replacement. I will use this yarn and I will cut into very small pieces, and then I will use the glue, and then I will start to put the yarn pieces onto their heads. I will use my scissor like this. So the hair is ready. Now we are going to use white glue. Spread the glue with the help of stick or whatever is useful for you. And with the help of picker, start to glue the yarn pieces into her head carefully. Yes, the glue will be invisible. will have a chic look, with very short hair, but at the same time she will be looking very feminine and very modern. We complete the first hat, and it is drying now, and then until it's dry we will be doing the same steps for the second hat, and I will be using purple yarn for this second Barbie hat. So we will cut the yarn into little pieces. So the both girls is ready, and I'm going to put their dresses on, and then I will show you the final look of these two Barbie dolls. The girls are ready. I hope you liked the video, and sorry for the noises. Please feel free to ask your questions if you have any, and I appreciate it if you can subscribe the channel. Thank you for your support, and special thanks to Aret, Seda and Ece for helping me out. Hope to see you soon.